GoPro Hero 8 Black First Impression. Right out of the box, I took some video footage that I will show you. I found the built-in mic picked up the audio very well, but if you're going to use it in the windy conditions as I did, you'll have to use an external mic with a cover. I moved the camera around quite a bit and the video was very stable. It did get warm in just a few minutes of using it. Not sure if this is some overheating problem. I'll have to check that out further. I use Shortcut to edit my videos, and after downloading the GoPro app, I'm having a few issues with it now. Also, when editing the video footage to cut the length, the video lags and is very choppy when it's in that program. I had some difficulty using the touchscreen looking for the functions, but not having a GoPro before this one, it just may be a learning curve on my part. I'm looking forward to learning how to optimize this camera, so post your tips in the comments section down below. So far, I give this a thumbs up. Let's get to the footage of my trial run.
This is my first use of this GoPro 8. I have it out here to see what kind of video quality I get from this camera. It's a windy day today. If you look up ahead, you can see some of those trees are still moving around. The wind just slowed for a while. It was very windy last night and this morning. We get a few big gusts and it stops. But we had a heavy rainstorm last night and a little bit of a windstorm to follow. Just trying to see what kind of colors we're going to get out of this. In a little bit, I'm going to have Johnny come out and fly. And every time he goes to fly it, it's either too windy, snowing, or raining outside. Well, we'll give it a shot today and see what happens. And we'll continue to check out this camera. Coming in to get Johnny. I'm inside now with no lighting. And our two newest additions. There's just a little bit of sunlight coming in from the window. It's very dark. Okay. All right, from the camera viewfinder, it looks just the way it is. We'll see what it looks like when we download it to the computer. Now I'm going to get Johnny outside with a drone. Okay. Where is it? I don't see it. Oh, there it goes. The other way. Go to the big tree. Fly it around the pole, around the flagpole. See if you can make it go around the flagpole. Too windy?
Yeah. I'm dropping it down.
Okay. Yeah, the wind caught it. Go into the wind. Fly it into the wind. When you come this way, it goes too fast. Go into the wind, it'll go slower. Because it's got to fight the wind. Go slow when you come this way, because the wind's going to take it. See how the wind takes it?
Oh, yes.
Now turn it around. That's it. Go right into the wind. Fight the wind. Go into it. Fight it. Fight it. Fight it. Don't come this way. It's going to hit. It's going to hit hard if it comes this way. Hey, that's pretty good. Uh-oh, that's no good.
Everything's okay.
Check those little buttons on top. Make sure they're still on top. Press. The battery came out? Yeah, it hit pretty hard. You know what, John? I think it's a little too windy to do this today. Let's see. Let's see if the drone held up. Don't push it like that. Easy, easy. Don't push it so hard. First of all, you have it in upside down. And you were going to push it hard.
I did it.
Yes, you did. It's upside down. And you were and you were pushing it hard with the palm of your hand. I tell you, if something doesn't fit, don't push hard. Okay. The camera's still on it?
We didn't put the camera.
Oh, I thought you said you had the camera. Look, these things, make sure, see, you lost another one. You lost 2 of them. 3 of them.
I had them lost.
From before?
Yeah.
Go that way. Okay, you know what? Put it up for now because it's too windy and it's going to end up breaking. Better you put it away than it break, right?
Yeah.
Come on, Tank, let's go get the girls. Come on, let's go check the girls. Let's go. Come on. Attaboy. Oh, like one of your your Paw Patrol men.
I don't like them.
Come on, Tank, let's go. Come on.
Bye.
See if we got any eggs. You gonna stay outside for a while?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Tank, you stay here. You stay here. Okay, take the poles out.
Showed them the video of the baby chickens.
Yeah.
And it's still video.
You guys ready to do a little free ranging today? Yeah? Oh, you didn't eat all your food. The squirrel will be here to eat that food while they're out. Any eggs?
There's no eggs.
No eggs? There was one this morning. 1 egg, that's it. Big Red's the only one that did the egg. We had a green egg this morning. Green eggs and ham.
Hi.
Okay, let them out. Let them out. Where are the little guys? They're back there?
Yep.
Yeah, these big guys chase them away. Oh, these big guys chase them away all the time.
Here, buddy.
I stepped on a foot.
Yep.
Okay, open, let the door open. Let the door open a little bit. Let it open a little bit so they could go in if something's chasing them. They have a place to go. Okay, guys, come on. Oh, Tank's over here. You had lunch already, right, Tank? You had lunch already. You had lunch already. You're not going to bother the girls, right?
Here's the big rooster. Yeah. Here's Jerry. There's Tom. Tank.
He wants to see what it tastes like before you cook them. And the rooster don't like that.
Go, rooster.
Don't make him run. Don't make him run. Tank, he's okay. When he does that, he's not hurting him.
Mini.
He likes to see them. The other day he did that. They were all eating, and he jumped up in the air, and they all started flying up in the air. He didn't hurt anybody. He just wants to chase them. But you can't let.
Go.
No, it's okay. You don't have to hold him. He's okay. I'm telling you. I do this every morning with him. Every morning.
Get eggs and ham.
Here they go.
Grandpa, somebody did eggs and ham this morning.
Look at this. The wind blew down the fence for the mulch, Johnny. Oh, the chickens are all in the mulch pile.
Really?
Yeah. Look at them go at it. If they go in the mulch pile, let them tear it up. It's okay if they tear it up. See that green wire over there? That's not wire. It's like a little fencing.
Yeah.
Why don't you pick that up so nobody gets tangled up in it?
Hey.
Okay. Pick it up and. Okay. That's that's good. So they won't go up there. Because if we're not out here, they get tangled up in it. Then they panic. Okay, we got a lot of cleanup out here to do. See, if you left them alone, they would have ate over there. You feel it pretty good too. Okay, that's it for this. Could you get Tank? Go grab Tank for me. I'll take him in. Where you guys going? Huh? Where you guys going?
Follow the stick.
Because you were chasing him. You were making him run. Okay, well, it's getting that time at night. Going to check to see if the girls are in. Wrapping them up for the night. And do one more egg run. Okay, John, check in there. Any eggs? None?
None.
Well, the girls in, count them out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What about the two babies?
Right here.
Okay, let's see. Bring one to the camera. Let's see.
This is moon.
Okay.
Want to see sun?
Okay.
Sun. This is sun.
Okay.
It has red.
These are our
feathers
two
and
new
black.
additions. As a matter of fact, I have a video on these two that I didn't upload yet. For now, that's it. This was just a quick test on how this GoPro works. It's my first time using it. I'm going to read up on it, check out some more of the features. I'll probably do a few updates on it. If you have any suggestions or any tips on how to use this camera and get the most out of it, post your comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, found it useful, be sure to give it a like, pass it along, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell not to miss any of my new videos as I upload them. Until next time, stay well.